So I'm going to show you how to use the RAM Plus feature to increase the RAM of your Samsung Galaxy A27. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to device care, tap on that, and then go to memory. So that's going to calculate your current memory situation. And then now if you scroll, you will see RAM Plus. So you want to tap on that and then you turn on RAM Plus, and then you can allocate either 2, 4, or 6 gigs from your internal storage to be used as RAM. So I'm going to go for 6. And then whatever you choose, you have to restart your phone. And then now your phone should have 6 extra gigs of RAM borrowed from your internal memory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.